Leslie, what the hell are you doing in my house?
It's my
Am I forgetting anything?
No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You're a bee. Guys, do you like my mandarinas?
We should have done iced coffees. I know.
Oh, we could.
Is there McDonald's here?
Excuse me? Did you hear that?
Wait, do I Amber Jet. I want these. Oh no, I want the Disney Galaxy. Someone to rock these with. Wait, because she's short. Come here. That camera. Do they don't?
Okay.
There's nothing in there. There's nothing in that one. There's nothing in that one. Oh, they could be in those because
It's actually kind of gross.
yeah.
Okay, so we are playing a game where we find two outfits, a cute one and an ugly one, and that one's for Leah. That's the ugly one. Right now I'll show you. I got Leslie, she got Leah. We had to go try it on. Oh my god, do it. Are you done? Are you done? Okay guys, so this is the one Leah gave me.
I'm over here.
Okay, so we did a challenge where we pick out two outfits and one is pretty and one is ugly. So I got Leslie got Daniela, Daniela got Leonela, and Leonela got me. So right now Leslie and Leah are in the changing rooms and they're trying on the outfits that we gave them.
This is two parts of my outfit. I'm missing my shirt and my shorts, obviously. But I look. Let me see.
Yeah. Oh, you look so cute. Wait, Leah, come out at the same time. It's gonna be upside down, but okay. You can just turn it around. Yes. Dude.
Not from the back. It's bad.
Okay guys, well now we're out. That lady ruined it for us.
She wouldn't stop asking us questions.
I know, like, can you just leave us alone?
Dude, and it was so awkward because I don't know where you guys had gone, but I had gone out with my ugly outfit. She was like, what size is that? She was like, no, the shorts, the color's so nice.
Okay guys, we're tired. We just got to the car.
Dude, my hair looks so bad. I'm fucking trying. Your third day?
Guys, so we came to BurgerFi. Wow.
Daniela?
Is it cold? Is it? Oh my god, it is cold.